In this PLR Make Money with PLR Blueprint review, I'm going to be showing you a course that will actually teach you how to make money with PLR, and you actually get the rights to sell the course with your purchase. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out PLR Make Money with PLR Blueprint review, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, learn the secrets of how we made $12,000 in a month by selling such high quality PLR products. Grab this high in demand, done for you make money with PLR Blueprint with private label rights and tap into a gold mine of online revenue. Rebrand it, resell it, and keep 100% of the profit. So essentially, this is a product that teaches you how to make money with PLR, and you can actually sell the product that you get. So it's kind of a two-in-one deal here where you can take the product, you can resell it, you can keep all the money with it, and you can use the knowledge that you learn from it in order to go ahead and resell it. And they have screenshots of money that they've made with PLR here. They've actually made this money. Like, I know these guys, they're really big into PLR. This is kind of like their whole business model. Step 1, download a ready-made to market product. Step 2, put your name on it. Step 3, upload it to your server or wherever you want to put it, and then make instant sales and keep 100% of the profits. Of course, you're going to have to list these on different marketplaces. You're going to have to actually set that up. Just be aware of that. But you will have a done-for-you product that you can sell essentially wherever you want. Now, this comes with a professional written ebook here where you've got all these different things that kind of give you a little bit of a sneak peek inside to show you exactly what you're going to be getting inside of this. The sales copy is all done for you. The sales demo video is done for you. Professionally designed graphics, animated banners, professionally created expert emails, professional mini sites. So you can take these little mini sites and put them online and sell on there. Legal pages, social media graphics, PDF graphics, and extra bonuses, mind maps, all that extra stuff, resources that you can use with your purchase. Now, when you go and purchase all this, you get access to all that. It's a very, very, very low one-time price. I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back and show you the upgrades.
Attention business owners and marketers. Now you don't have to struggle to search for profitable products to sell online and make a significant income. Well, we've developed the hottest and evergreen product in a trending niche. Most marketers spend countless hours trying to create their own products, landing pages, sales copies, and OTOs, only to end up with disappointing results. Our product can save you from all this hustle. This is your ultimate guide to harnessing PLR products' potential and skyrocket your online business. Let's examine how we have earned troves of banknotes online by selling highly converting PLR products. If we have made a fortune by selling products online, what is stopping you from doing the same? This will teach you how to quickly use PLR products to make money online. With this blueprint in your hands, you'll unlock the power of private label rights, where you can legally acquire ready-made products and modify them to suit your brand. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned marketer, here is the one-stop solution for all your problems. Learn the secrets to successfully selling your PLR products online on e-learning websites, digital markets, and Amazon. Even you can launch your products on JVZO, Warrior Plus, etc., and maximize your business growth. Introducing Make Money with PLR Blueprint private label rights included. It's a comprehensive and professionally researched guide that covers a vast amount of information related to PLR market. Our product is newbie friendly, so it's really easy for all to use. Right from the beginning, it provides lots of information, and even you don't need any prior experience, qualifications, or skills to start earning money, just like we do. This amazing guide will explore various specific topics such as: what is PLR? Various advantages of using PLR content. Analyzing what are the market demand and trends. How to write a persuasive sales page copy. How to create engaging graphics and covers. How to promote your PLR products online. Understand the concept of the sales funnel. The information related to the launch of the product. What are the different ways to craft an effective email campaign? How to market and promote your PLR storefront. and so much more. This guide will teach you real ways to make money from the comfort of your home. So, here's exactly what you will receive in this amazing product. Module 1, Professionally Written Training Guide. Module 2, Professional Graphics. Module 3, Animated Banners. Module 4, High Converting Sales Copy. Module 5, Mini Sites. Module 6, Customer Sales Video. Module 7, Legal Pages. Module 8, Social Media Graphics. Module 9, PDF Graphics. Module 10, Swipe Emails. Module 11, Other Selling Materials like a mind map, cheat sheet, and top resource report. In addition, we are also offering you incredible and complete exclusive bonuses. Instant Profit from PLR. Set up PLR product step-by-step tutorial. PLR product rebranding. You can start making money today and continue earning for many months. So, get started today. Buy this product. Put your name on it. Sell and keep 100% of the profits. So, don't miss this chance to transform your business and boost your profits. Take action now, and together, we'll make your online business dreams come true. Act now.
Okay, so we're back. So after you purchase, you'll actually be offered a few different upgrades here. The first one is a video training course. So you can actually use this as a video upgrade when someone buys yours. So like when you sell your course, you can sell an upgrade for a video course. So it kind of makes for a nice little sales funnel here. For this one comes with all the sales material and everything, and this one's $29.95. If you say no to that, which you should, you can get it for $32.95. So you actually get a little bit of a discount. Actually, it looks like it's a little bit more. Why is it more? let me see. Maybe that's wrong on the page. Let me look. If it is, okay, that was a typo. It's $25.95. So you get a little bit of a discount on it there if you click the no thanks button. Make sure you do that. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit the like button. I appreciate it. Next one is Bard AI Expertise. So this is another course with private label rights about using Google's version of ChatGPT. This one's $9.95, and then they've got an upgrade for a video course to go with that one, and that one is $29.95. And the same thing, if you click that no thanks button, you can get a discount on that one. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about PLR Make Money with PLR Blueprint, and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, just because you have a done-for-you product does not mean that you're going to have like hundreds of people running to your sales page to purchase from you. You still need to do marketing. You still need to put it up online. There's still work involved. What do I like about this? There may be work involved. However, it's a done-for-you product. So if you want to have something that you can kind of take, sell it as is, or make some changes and sell it, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my PLR Make Money with PLR Blueprint review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Thanks.